to say bye.
Abenito honesty niwe humwire kandi abire narebuza abakozi ba government n'emishara y'abahabwa district ya Mitooma.
So yomo kwaruka ahiyahika harufiringa mwashemere kubana akomaho. So niyo basi inatembere ninza Mitooma in 2010 ezaje zawera mwaha Mude ezaje ezinashajiro basi ya Mitooma za Jasta zawayo.
And we feel sorry for what might have not gone right here and there. You've done a lot of good things. People have praised you. You've stepped on some other people's toes. They are cursing, but that's the nature of our work we do. I'm so glad you're in my life.
Abakozi ba district bashabwe kurebera hari abenitoye kandi basigize narunji baba bahumwiri.
I know most of you bear me witness. These days working as a civil servant is almost coming to being a crime. We are like near arrests and all that. But I thank God so much that you've retired honorably, still with your wisdom and all that.
Kind of things have been made easy in the digital world. You will be at home and you can be just taking more qualification through e-learning. You go to computer, you just get administration, then you do e-learning.
Omujekirwa wa mukuru w'ihango mu district egi obyari umugenyi mukuru arabwire bamwe abakozi ba district egi okorekeraho kuryaana no kuremesa batahi babo.
Tukundana tukore kumwe ayagenda Rwanda yachikunda akoreki agende businge ukareme kwe kwasa cyo niwe yachikoraki yakireta.